If you want help or you want support from Delta team, if you have any question, you have any problem, any issue, any challenge about Delta, you will open your Delta application and then you will come to this icon here with title help. And this one is where you can see Delta Discord server. But before touching it for any question, challenge, issue, or for help or support, you have to make sure in your smartphone you have already have Discord social media like this one. I will show you this one. Make sure you have this Discord here, social media app. And where you can get it, if you are using Android, you can get it from Play Store like this. So you can go to Play Store if you are using Android. Then you will come here, you will search that Discord social media, where you can see Delta Discord Delta server. So you can touch here for searching, and you can come to right here that social media Discord here. So you can type Discord if you don't have it. Yeah, this one is a Discord where you can find a Delta Discord server. So you can open it and you can install it in your mobile phone. And if you are using iOS, you will head directly to iOS store and you download it. After downloading it, then you will go back to your Delta application here, and now you can proceed with the process by touching this here for any question, help, challenge, suggestion, anything about Delta, and you can get support or help.